also, I would like to show you now how easy it can be to install the device for rainbow printing in a Rapida 75 Pro. We'll make it step by step. We're starting with the ink dividers, with the preparation of the additional ink tray, which will be put in the mono machine on top. And I hope it will work for you. If not, please let us know, because we will send you that by YouTube message or special message, because it will be a heavy download. And in case of any question, please get in contact with us. Thank you for the time being. Okay.
So, next step is configuration, the printing units. Clutch on the right unit. Then the inking unit, the damping unit, and a special is the rainbow printing. So, important is to open all ink zones. Ink zone automatics must be off. The ink zones must be open the whole time. So now I adjust the oscillation from the ink roller. Millimeter. This is this distance. 1 millimeter oscillation down. I prepare the rainbow ink tray into the press. So, important is to prepare the ink divider. So, and this is a Teflon device. First I millimeters distance.
So now, as you can see, we are on top of the printing press, and for our purpose to demonstrate it, we will use printing unit number 5. So, and you see the printer prepared already the field for the inserts of the ink divider. As a next step, he has to bring the scale into the normal ink tray on top. This scale will be fixed with screws, and as you remember, we did it on the machine console already. All the normal ink tray zones are open. So, Mike, you're finished?
Yes.
So now comes back to our ink diverters. You see here, this is our ink divider, and on the peak of the ink divider we will put a lip. It's made out of Teflon and plastic material, and we will put it on top of the ink divider. This is then in conjunction on top with the roller. Okay? Mike, please go ahead with.
Moment, it's not the right direction. So,
as far as the width of the lip is concerned, we selected the very small version, which is 3 millimeters only.
So,
as you can see, he's going to install the first ink dividers on the left and on the right side. Then the remaining one will follow. And as you can see, the handling, it's very easy. Just to fix a screw on top, and then it's on the holding device where the scale is. So step by step, he will add the remaining ink dividers as per your relevant job or as per the image later on the sheet. Now we got a proof sheet and can adjust by, let's say, 90% already the right position of the ink dividers in the rainbow ink tray. In other words, the eye of the printer, it's still very, very important. And as you may know, rainbow printing is a special device and needs a lot of experience.
And now the adjustments from the ink divider.
For our demonstration purpose today and here, we just install 10 ink dividers. Certainly you can install a couple more of them, as we discussed already in Warsaw. We could go up to 15 in one ink tray.
So, last one. So, all dividers are fixed, and this kann man eben okay,
So you see, the printer is now adjusting manually the ink zone screws to the knife. And as you can see, as I mentioned before, in the ink tray for our purpose we have 10 ink dividers, and we always say you can add up to 15. Certainly you will have more space, but it's a question of the ink duct motor itself. And realistically, and as per experience, a print company is not putting more than 15s in. If a higher amount of ink dividers is needed, we have to think about a stronger motor. The motor for Rainbow is already stronger, and it worked perfectly for 15 ink dividers. Now he is going to adjust the ink knife to the ink duct. And experience-wise, it's 0.3 millimeter distance to the duct. So you see, I mean, time-wise, I mean, if you ask me today how long it could be taken to adjust one printing unit for Rainbow, it's between 15-20 minutes if you're experienced one, always depending how many ink dividers you have in the press and subject to image you like to print, for sure. Mike, 15 to 20 minutes would be okay?
Yes, this is okay. Important is to start in the middle to adjust it.
Because it's a closed knife.
Yes.
So now a little bit of
Step by
fine
step,
tuning.
yes.
Yes.
So, it will be okay.
Yeah. I mean, ink tray is finished. He is turning the ink duct roller, as you can see, for final adjustment of the Teflon lip of each ink divider to the ink duct roller. And as you can see, it's marking a little bit on the ink duct roller, and this is exactly the area where later on the ink will be divided. Also here, it's a little bit of feeling and experience by the printer requested. So as you can see, the printer put the ink in the rainbow tray. It's just a simulation, and now he is fine-tuning a little bit as per his eye, and then it should be ready for the purpose.